Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the starter cup in your string trimmer, make sure the engine has cooled. Use a T20 Torx bit to unthread the 5 screws, securing the recoil starter assembly to the engine cover and engine. Set the recoil starter aside. Detach the ignition coil wire from the spark plug. Use a 3/4 inch socket or dedicated spark plug wrench to help unthread the plug. Now confirm the engine piston is in the down position. Then insert a cord into the cylinder to prevent the piston from moving. You can now use channel lock pliers to help unthread the old starter cup counterclockwise to remove. Install the new starter cup by threading it clockwise onto the crankshaft, then tighten. Remove the cord from the cylinder and rethread the spark plug. Be careful not to strip the threads by over-tightening. Reattach the ignition coil wire to the plug. Reposition the recoil starter on the engine assembly, making sure the recoil pulley engages with the starter pawls. Thread the screws to secure. The larger screws go on the bottom.